Today we're doing a black versus white swipe on this little 8-inch board. I have my PPG Multi-Pro interior down for my base. And you all know me, I'm chaotic with my paints. I have a bunch of paints that are almost gone, so I decided to just use them up. And I started putting them in one order, and I had to go chaotic and just put them everywhere. Thanks for being here on this Monday for our TAGTeam collaboration. Up first, as always, was August Acrylic Art, and then Creations with Tanya, and now myself. And I put this on fast speed while I put down all my paint colors. Listen, I think everyone should try putting the paints on like this and swiping them, because it's so much fun just to put the paint down like that. And then when you swipe and you get a beautiful swipe, it's just so rewarding. So I say try putting your paints on like this and see what you get. It's so much fun. Enjoy!
If you're reading this now, odds are I've already left town. A few cities in between, the new skyline where I'm looking down. A few empties on the floor and a note on the door of your house. And this silence reminds me of what's left behind me for now. There's a broken down car parked outside the barn up the road, and a weather vane hanging all crooked from the rain and the snow. I'm a half-mile past where we ran out of gas years ago. So I'm taking my time and I'm gonna drive by it once more. But you'll see there's a new life waiting, and I just don't want this feeling to go. If you're reading this now, please remember the good times we had. Don't forget about the moments we tried, we cried, or we laughed. There's a good chance our paths will eventually meet up somehow. Just know I had good reason to go if you're reading this now. Out replaying this scene where we share the same space, the same beautiful place in my dreams. And I kick at the walls, I keep tripping on old memories, and I try to sing along to the song on this old record machine. This old melody. If you're reading this now, know I'm wondering how things will be if I bump into you, or the things that you do when I leave. There's a million little things that I'll miss. Just know that somehow you don't need another reason to leave me if you're reading this now. I'm a long ways away, but you're safe, and I know you're better off this way. you're reading this now.
All right, you guys, you tell me what you think. You like it? I love this bottom part here. Well, the black swipe. I love them both, but man, I really like this one. So I'm pretty happy with it. You guys will have to let me know what you think in them comments down below. And thank you to my new subscribers. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And watch my chaotic paintings and my fun with resin. Alright, you guys. Love y'all. Thanks for watching. And I will see you in Tuesday Night Live. Bye, everybody.